All right, so we finished it. Yay! So obviously submit your assignments. Basically, the goal this week was to take the HTML. You now honestly know most of the HTML that you need to make most websites. That's kind of most of it. There's not really too much more. I mean, we're going to show you some more, but it's more about just making it more correct than it is anything else, and making it easier to control. And then what we covered also was the CSS, and that is going to allow us to impose design like colors and sizing and things like that, and positioning using that. Okay. What we're going to do at this point is that a lot of the remaining semester really is just building off of these two things. If you were able to get today done, like if you're able to do it, the rest of it's pretty much the same. It's just adding more. Okay, so I mentioned it before, but there's syntax and there's semantics, right? That's kind of the base of language. So the syntax is how it must be written in order for it to be read. So just like English, right? We always start with a capital letter. You have to end with punctuation. There's usually there's a space between words. There's usually a noun and a verb. Like there's certain things, and if you put enough sentences together, then you end up with a paragraph. And it has to be in they have to be alike sentences. Just like there's a structure there, we have to also structure it the same way. You now at this point know what the syntax is. The syntax is pretty similar to what you've seen. We're going to add a little bit more onto it, but that's kind of how the syntax works. Now it's just adding more language at you. You just need to learn more vocabulary. And honestly, it's not that advanced. In comparison to other things, it's actually very simple. Okay? So good luck, good job, and we'll see you in the next class.